A correction more than 160 years in the making. Hi guys, I'm Lindsay Granger for Buzz 60. And better late than never, right? The New York Times is issuing a correction of an article written in 1853, yes, 1853, to address a spelling error of a man's name. But not just any man, Solomon Northup, the inspiration behind the award-winning film 12 Years a Slave. The mistake was brought to light during the Academy Awards after the film took home the Oscar for Best Picture. A Twitter user who was curious about the story dug up the old New York Times piece and pointed out the article spells Solomon's last name differently in the headline versus the main article. And both spellings are wrong. His name is not Northrop or Northrup, it's Northup. The New York Times issued a correction for the 161-year-old mistake, but the paper still described the article as a more complete and authentic record than has yet appeared. Now all we have to do is find an 1853 version of a New York Times Craigslist ad searching for a new copy editor. Buzz 60. Now you know, pass it on.